Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Roblox error code 403. Now there's a few different methods we're going to use in this video to try and fix error code 403. So make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any of these steps. So if you didn't know what Roblox error code 403 is actually an authentication error that prevents you from accessing Roblox games or the website. It can actually be caused by a variety of factors, which we're going to go over in this video. So the first thing I'd recommend to do is coming on a website like this where you can actually check if Roblox is down. So as you can see, currently Roblox status is up. So if you're still running into this problem while the servers are up, it means that it is actually on your end and not on Roblox's server's end. Now, if this didn't work, what I'd recommend to do from here is to actually just restart your computer and your Wi-Fi router. And when you've done that, this could actually fix the issue, just resetting it. So that is definitely worth a try as well. The third way would be to disable your firewall or antivirus software, because sometimes these programs can actually interfere with Roblox. So as you can see, I'm using Malwarebytes. If I wanted to disable the antivirus for Roblox, what I would do is come over to this allow list. And if Malwarebytes blocks something you know is safe, you can add it here to skip it in future detections. So from here, we can just choose the Roblox file or folder. And then after that, our firewall won't flag up Roblox as something dodgy. And hopefully that will have fixed it. And don't worry, we still got a few more things we can go through to try and get this fixed. Now the next thing I would suggest is to open up your Roblox game. Because when you open up this, we can actually try to clear the Roblox cache. And what this will actually do is this will delete any corrupted files that may be causing the error. So to do this, you first want to open up the Roblox app and just wait until it's loaded. Mine's almost updated here, and I'll be back to you in a second once it has loaded. So once the game has actually loaded up, you just want to go over to the left hand side and just click on these three dots here. And then you just want to go down to settings, which you can find near the bottom left corner. Okay, so I've just gone to clear the cache, and it turns out they have actually removed this option from the game. This used to be possible inside of Roblox, but unfortunately they have actually taken the button away. But don't worry, there is still a way that we can clear the cache. So what you're going to want to do is click on the Windows button and then the R button to bring up this box in the bottom left corner. And you just want to type in percentage local app data percentage and then click enter. So from here we just want to look for our Roblox folder, so we can just click on any of these and just click R, and that'll take us to all the ones starting with R, and here we can see is the Roblox folder. So we're just going to go ahead and open up this, and what you want to do from here is just drag everything and just right click and delete it. Now, I'm not going to delete mine as there's not actually anything wrong with my account. But if you are running into these issues, you just want to make sure your game is closed as well and delete this. As once it is actually deleted, what that will do is basically delete any corrupted files that you may have. And then what you want to do is just choose any of these games and just go to play it, log into your account, and then re-download Roblox. It shouldn't take too long. And then once it has loaded, that will have fixed your issue, and you will be able to play Roblox again. Now, if all those methods didn't work, it may be because you're using a VPN. If you are using a VPN, I would recommend trying to disable it, because just like firewalls and antiviruses, VPNs can also interfere with Roblox, and it can kind of give us these errors. Now, if you've tried that as well and that's still not working, what I would recommend to do is contact Roblox customer support. So if you type in something like this, we can just head to this top URL, and then obviously you want to log into your account. But what this page will bring you to is a contact us page, and you'll be able to speak to Roblox customer support, and they should be able to unblock your account, and then you will no longer face this error code. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you're no longer dealing with the Roblox error code 403. If it did fix it for you, please go ahead and comment to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.